Instagram mistakes to avoid. In today's video, I will talk about the Instagram mistakes that you can avoid in 2021. This is Vanashri and welcome to my channel Bowtie and Lipsticks. So in today's video, I'll tell you the mistakes that you are making on Instagram and you are not even aware of the mistakes that you are making, and this is actually hampering your Instagram growth. So the obvious mistakes that you are making on Instagram is wrong hashtags, automations, bots, and there is one mistake that you aren't aware of that you are making, and you will come to know about this in my video, and you will definitely change your strategy in Instagram. So here are some non-obvious mistakes that you are making. One is not putting the link in the bio, which can actually help you generate traffic from Facebook groups, YouTube, and it will actually give you footfalls on your Instagram profile. Basically, cross promotions helps a lot to grow your account. Okay, so now let me tell you here the mistake that you are doing even after putting the link in your bio is that when someone clicks on your link in the bio and goes to subscribe the channel or join the group, they get a login message or a sign in message. So personally speaking, I never like signing in with my credentials. Sometimes you tend to even forget that. So that's when I will try to subscribe to the channel or join the group. So how you can actually avoid this and take your audience to your YouTube app directly to subscribe to the channel is what I will tell you now. So in this case, what happens, you lose in your subscribers or your followers when they have to sign up, because people are really busy, and when they are giving their valuable time, so they actually need to go onto the same page so that they can actually subscribe to your channel. So here is the best solution that I can give to you to avoid this type of situations. So you don't have to use a standard link, rather you need a deep link so that your followers can actually bypass the login page and sign in page and subscribe to your channel directly. And how you can do that is you can use app opener or URL Genius and put in your link there and generate a deep link, and then you can use the same deep link on your link in the bio. So this will help your users to bypass the sign in and login page and subscribe to your channel. And this is how you can retain your subscribers and followers. And now let me tell you the second obvious mistake that you are making on Instagram. So the second obvious mistake that you are making on IG is by not adding your new post to your story. So this way you are actually losing on the engagement. So when you actually put the when you actually put on your new post on the story with a small caption of giving a hint of what the post is about, it can actually gain engagement. And one more mistake that usually happens, few people say, yeah, we do share it on our story, but still we don't get engagement. The reason is, if it is a video post, what happens is when you share it on your Instagram stories, like when I will go to watch any of the stories, the audio is actually muted. So you just need to press in the button, like the volume button, and then you can hear the story. So usually what people does is they just do tick 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 and the stories are gone. So what is important is, when you write a small attractive caption with that post that you are sharing on your story, can actually get you clicks and people will come and read it. And now you will say this goes with the video, but what about a static post? So in case of static post, what happens if your if the cover if it is a carousel post and if the cover is already talking about the product, or there are some kind of caption already, like heading given to your photo, that will actually bring in people to click in the post from your story. So basically a suspense on the story always helps a lot, because people have the curiosity to know what is there in the post. So always it's it's better to create a suspense on your story for your new post. So now you will say what is different here. So the most important thing over here is, without listening to your story, they already know what is there in the post, because you have written a small summary of the caption. So that is going to help. Many times what people do is they share the same video on their story, and sometimes what people do is, I'll talk about the post that I have shared, but when I talk about the post, what happens is people don't listen, and the caption helps at that time. And thirdly, I'll tell you, a call to action is very important. And now you will tell me, what is the call to action? Because see, when you post a photo or a video on Instagram, so it is available for 40 hours, so people can see it on their feed within 40 hours. But after 40 hours, what happens? Because of the Instagram algorithm, your post is not being shown on others' profile. So that's when, a little tweak that you can do. So in your post, you can put PS and say head over to the link in my bio. So if someone is coming back to your profile and checking about the same post, they know that they just need to click in the link in your bio. So this is how again your old post is getting engaged. Or you can say like swipe up to read more, because your carousel picture is engaging. So this way, even after 40 hours, even after Instagram's algorithm, you can keep people engaged on your post. And this will obviously generate traffic to your old post, and you can direct them to your website or to your other social platforms. So don't you think, even after 40 hours with Instagram's algorithm, how you can actually bring in traffic? So guys, hope this video is helpful to you guys. I'm going to come up with some amazing videos how you can boost your Instagram. So guys, thumbs if you like my video, and subscribe if you love my video. Do leave your valuable comments on the comment section below. It's going to help me bring the best for you. Till then, stay happy, stay hooked. Bye bye.